Hello and welcome back to my channel where we navigate life with purpose, one conversation at a time. I'm so happy you've joined me for our January series on life's purpose. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, discovering your inner compass. In this episode, we'll explore what it means to have an inner compass, your personal guide to making choices and finding meaning. We'll reflect on the core values, passions, and unique talents that help steer your life. Whether you're feeling uncertain about your direction or just want to reconnect with yourself, this episode is designed to inspire and support you. Your inner compass is like an invisible guide that lives within you. It's the quiet voice or feeling that helps you figure out what feels right or wrong, what brings you joy, and what feels true to who you really are. It's not something you can see or touch, but it's always there, helping you make choices that align with your deepest values and passions. Think of it as a combination of three important things. When these three things work together, they point you toward the life that's meant for you. The one where you feel happy, confident, and fulfilled. When you listen to your inner compass, life feels smoother and more meaningful. You feel like you're on the right path, even if the journey isn't always easy. But when you ignore it or push it aside, you might start feeling stuck, confused, or even unhappy. It's like trying to navigate without a map. You can still move forward, but it's much harder to find your way. Learning to trust your inner compass takes time. But the more you do, the more you feel connected to yourself and the direction you're meant to take in life. Values and passions are two of the most important parts of who you are. They play a big role in shaping your life and helping you make decisions that feel right. Values are the core beliefs and principles that guide our actions, such as honesty, kindness, and personal growth. They serve as the foundation of our lives, providing meaning and direction where we live in alignment with them. Passions, on the other hand, are the activities that ignite enthusiasm and energy within us, like painting, teaching, or helping others. While values shape who we are, passions bring joy and excitement to our lives, helping us find purpose and fulfillment in what we do. Together, values and passions work to create a life that is both meaningful and enjoyable. When you combine your values and passions, they work together to create a kind of personal roadmap. This map helps you navigate life by showing you what directions feel right. For example, if you value creativity and are passionate about art, you might decide to pursue a career as an artist or spend your free time painting. If you value kindness and love helping others, you might focus on relationships or work that allows you to support people. Together, values and passions guide your choices in relationships, work, and personal growth. They help you focus on what truly matters to you so that you can build a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling. Without them, it's easy to feel lost or unsure of what direction to take. But when you understand your values and follow your passions, you'll feel more confident and aligned with the life you're meant to live. Discovering your inner compass takes practice. And the good news is that there are simple exercises to help you connect with it. These activities are like tools to better understand what truly matters to you and where your heart is guiding you. Here are two easy ways to start: journaling and meditation. Journaling prompts is writing in a great way to explore your thoughts and feelings. It helps you slow down and reflect on what's happening inside you. So here are some questions to guide your journey. Think about the activities that make time fly by for you. These are usually the things you really enjoy or feel passionate about. Also, think about the qualities you admire in others, like kindness, courage, or creativity. These traits often show what values are important to you. Lastly, remember times when you felt the happiest or most at peace, whether it was with loved ones, working on something you care about, or being in nature. These moments can help you understand what truly matters to you. Take a few minutes each day or week to write about these prompts. Don't worry about being perfect. Just let your thoughts flow. Over time, you'll notice patterns that point toward your inner compass. Meditation helps you quiet the noise of daily life and tune into your inner voice. You don't need to be an expert to try this simple practice. Find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can relax without interruptions. Sit down, close your eyes, and take deep breaths to help your body relax. Imagine you're standing at a crossroads with different directions in front of you. One direction feels warm and inviting, and you feel drawn to it. Ask yourself, which direction feels right for me? Pay attention to any feelings or thoughts that come up without judging them. After 5 to 10 minutes, open your eyes and write down anything you noticed during the exercise. This practice can help you connect with your intuition and uncover what your inner compass is trying to tell you. The more you meditate, the clearer your direction will become. By practicing these exercises regularly, you'll get closer to understanding your inner compass. Journaling helps you identify patterns and themes in your life, while meditation connects you with your intuition. Together, these tools make it easier to trust your inner guide and take steps toward a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Sometimes the hardest part of discovering your inner compass is knowing where to begin. The good news is that small, simple actions can make a big difference. Here are 3 steps you can take right now to start aligning your life with your values and passions. Values are the foundation of your inner compass. So it's important to know what they are. Start by making a list of the 5 values that matter most to you. This might include things like honesty, family, creativity, growth, kindness, or adventure. If you're not sure what your values are, think about times when you felt happy or proud. What values were you following in those moments? Also, consider the qualities you admire in others. Do they show what's important to you? This can help you understand your core values. So once you have your list, reflect on how you can honor these values in your daily life. For example, if one of your value is kindness, you might show it by helping a friend or simply being patient with others. If creativity is a value, you could set aside time to paint, write, or brainstorm new ideas. And if kindness is one of your values, you might express it by helping others or being patient. By focusing on your values each day, you'll feel more connected to who you truly are. Passions bring energy and excitement to your life. To stay connected to what you love, set a small, achievable goal each week that aligns with your passions. And here are some examples. The key is to choose something you genuinely enjoy and make time for it. Even a small step can reignite your passion and help you feel more purposeful. Reflection is a powerful way to stay connected to your inner compass. At the end of each day, take a moment to pause and ask yourself, you don't need to be perfect. This is about progress, not perfection. If you realize you didn't fully align with your values or passions, think about what you can do differently tomorrow. Reflection helps you learn and grow while staying focused on what matters most. These three steps, clarifying your values, pursuing your passions, and reflecting daily, are small but powerful ways to bring your life into alignment with your inner compass. By making these actions part of your routine, you'll feel more grounded, more connected to yourself, and more confident in your choices. Remember, discovering and following your inner compass isn't something that happens overnight. It's a journey of small, consistent steps. The more you practice, the more natural it'll feel, and the closer you'll get to living the life that's truly meant for you. Start today and see where your inner compass takes you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope you're leaving this episode feeling a little more inspired and ready to connect with your inner compass. Remember, finding your direction in life is a journey, not a race. It's not about figuring everything out all at once, but about being curious, patient, and open to learning what truly matters to you. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to living a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling. So take your time, listen to your heart, and trust that you are exactly where you need to be right now. If you found this episode helpful, I encourage you to share it with someone you care about who might also need a little guidance. Sometimes, a small spark of inspiration can make a big difference in someone's life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can join me for the next conversation in our January series on life's purpose. Together, we'll continue exploring ways to create a life filled with meaning and joy. Until next time, trust your journey, follow your heart, and keep exploring your purpose. You have so much to discover about yourself and the amazing path ahead of you. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Hello, everyone. I want to take a moment to talk about giving back and supporting those who need our help. Some incredible foundations are doing amazing work, and I hope we can all come together to support them. Here are the three foundations and the wonderful work they do. For Bahay Aruga, this is a free halfway houses for children with cancer who need a safe place to stay while getting treatment in Manila. So you can reach out to Bahay Aruga directly by sending them a message or visiting their Facebook page for more information. Our second is Cribs Foundation. So they care for abandoned and neglected children, giving them love, support, and a chance at a better life. Direct donations can be made through their channels. And last but not the least, Kawa Pilipinas. This initiative helps provide resources and training to empower communities and create lasting change across the Philippines. Support their work by donating through their channels. Every little bit helps and can make a big difference in someone's life. Let's work together to spread hope and kindness. Please note that this is a heartfelt message and I am not being paid or sponsored by these foundations. I simply want to encourage everyone to support their amazing work. Thank you and take care.